Good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
So yesterday we couldn't have class because of some bad weather conditions. Okay,
Yes,
so today,
yes, sir.
I was taking class from outside. Actually, my mother is not little well, so it's just about for today. Oh, yeah. So today we are going to discuss about the chemistry. Okay, I will be presenting you one small worksheet. There are some question answers in that. I will be discussing that question answers with you. On your video, why I can't see you?
Please, sir, we are coming. Let me put it. Okay, you will take first.
Yeah.
Is it
So
muted?
before starting,
No.
want to little discuss about the last class things.
Let's talk on you. Why are you too slow? Unlike hello, sir.
Hello, both
Hello,
of you.
hello, hello, both of you. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we
Can
can hear you.
okay. Can you
Okay.
hear me
Can
properly?
you hear me? Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, excellent. Can you see this small sample paper on your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So one by one, I will ask you a few questions, and you have to answer me regarding that question. Okay. So
Okay,
this
sir.
is what we have discussed, and few of things in this paper will be like that we have not discussed. So in the question answer format, we will discuss all those things. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the first question you can see on the screen that you have to put the structures in order from the largest to the smallest.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we studied that the group of cells will make tissues, group of
Tissue.
tissues will make organs,
Organ
organs will
system.
make organ system, and organ systems will make
Sir.
organisms. Okay.
Organs.
So in this
Yes.
chain, the smallest part is the cell and the largest part is the organism. Okay. If
Yes,
organism
sir.
is not given, so organ system will be the largest part. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
from this from this structure, you can identify which one is smallest and which one is largest. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So who will explain me about this thing?
Sir, about the organ system.
Yeah.
About tissue. Okay, sir.
No.
Sir,
This chain of no. Listen to me. The chain of these systems, like from cell, tissue, organ system. These are called the different levels of organization. Okay.
yes, sir.
So that different levels of organization you have to explain. Explain it now.
Okay, so the organize the so the organize it says the organization.
Yeah, different levels of organization you have to explain.
So the different levels of organization is is the organ system.
Huh?
So it's the largest unit in the is the largest unit in the organ system, which
Okay.
is made of multiple organs. Each organ
Okay.
is made of tissues, and tissues are made of tiny building blocks called cells.
Yeah, that's good. Excellent. So in this way, you have to explain or you have to write the answer for the explanation of the different levels of organization. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in your notes, you can write this first part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Write it. When complete, let me know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Write this much. Done, both of you?
Not yet, sir. Please, I'm almost done.
Okay.
Tissues are made of tiny building. So I'm done.
Okay. So you understand the language of the explanation?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, no doubts in this explanation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So our next topic of discussion is water cycle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In water cycle, the process is consist of basically three steps. Number one is the evaporation. Evaporation is a process in which one state of water changes into the another state of water by heating. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second process is your condensation. That is again the change of the state of the water from one state to the other. And the third and the final stage is the precipitation. In the precipitation, the state of the water is according to the
So
height.
according
In
of
precipitation, precipitation means the water falls from the cloud.
clouds, yes, sir.
Yeah. So that the precipitation can be in the form of rain. Rain is water. Then can be in the form of snow or can be in the form of hail also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in water cycle, these three processes are very important. Number one is evaporation. Evaporation means the water changes into vapor state when
Yes, sir.
it is heated by the sun. Okay. And it
Yes,
is a
sir.
surface phenomenon. Evaporation is a surface phenomena. For example, if you uh, keep your wet clothes outside in the sun, after some time, what you see or what you observe that your wet clothes have dried up. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
like that? So
Yes, sir.
that drying of the clothes in the sun is happen because of this evaporation process.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes,
Now,
sir.
now the water which has evaporated from the surface of the earth, it will go up in the sky. Okay. And as
Yes,
going up in the sky, the temperature decreases. Okay.
yes, sir.
And that vapor state and that vapor state the changes into the liquid droplet state, which is called as clouds. Okay, clouds are nothing, they are just a form of water vapor.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
then after certain time, when clouds are not able to hold the content of water in itself, okay, they start falling the water down towards the earth. That is called precipitation. Okay,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is
Should we
a
copy?
this is no, you have to copy this, but first understand the concept. This is the universal water cycle. The first stage is evaporation, then condensation, and then precipitation. Okay,
Yes, sir.
in these three stages, the water cycle process takes place. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now write about this. Right till here. Okay, both of you done.
Yes, sir.
Now there is one more process in the water cycle. That process is called transpiration.
Transpiration.
In the chapter of plants, I have already discussed what is transpiration with you. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
transpiration means the plants releases water vapor into the air through their leaves with the help of stomata. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
this transpiration process is also count into the water cycle. So write this one also after this. Done, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's discuss related to a chemical reaction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What do you understand the term chemical reaction? Chemical reaction. But what do you understand by this term?
It's a chemical reaction.
What do you understand by this term?
So let me say chemical reaction. So it is a mixture of two or more chemicals,
Yeah,
and
good.
and when it reacts, it is called chemical reaction.
Okay. Is it reversible or irreversible in nature? The nature of chemical
Right?
reaction is reversible or irreversible?
So please can you repeat?
The nature of chemical reaction is reversible or irreversible.
It is reversible.
Okay, if I give you a paper and you have burned that paper, That paper has turned into ashes. Can
Is
No,
again
it's
bring, can you again change that ashes into the paper?
no sir.
no, sir.
Just you said, ki, sir, it is reversible.
Sir, it is
It's
irreversible.
irreversible.
Yeah. So chemical reactions are irreversible in their nature. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this, we will be going to study about the magnesium reaction. Okay. Magnesium is a compound, is a element which is going to react with the oxygen. In the presence of oxygen, when it reacts, it forms magnesium oxide.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
So when magnesium is burned in the presence of oxygen, it forms a white color powder which is called as magnesium oxide. Okay.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
sir.
So a chemical reaction will take place because the color has changed the gray to the white. Initial color of the magnesium is gray, but when it combines with oxygen and burns, it turns into a white color substance. Okay.
Okay
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in chemical reaction, one new thing is there that a new substance is formed. Okay. First thing,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
it is reversible in nature. Second thing, a new substance will form. These 2 points you have understood about the chemical reaction.
Yes
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good, excellent. Right till this point.
Want to shut up.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, done.
Yes sir.
Okay, so next topic is the food web. Today I have taken chapter topics from different domains of science to just dodge your mind so that you can understand different aspects in a same at the same time. Okay.
Okay sir.
Yeah, good. So next topic is food web. uh Austin boy, tell me what do you understand by the term food web?
So food web is when animals like living creatures feed on food.
Then what is food chain?
Lock
So
that door.
the classes of like how food is being classified.
Sir,
Oh,
sir,
food is being classified. That is called food web.
please, sir. Food web is
One,
how
one,
food.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, tell.
Sir,
I'm
food web is how. Yes, I'm with you. Food web is how food are classified from. Let me say from the natural things we eat like grass, from grass to cow and the rest. Then food chain is what one species eats. Like let me say example, grass from foxes eat rabbit. Rabbits eat let me say wait, you have man eat cows. Cows eat grass. That's like a food chain.
Hmm. So you can also say that a food web is a complex network of interconnected of food chains.
Okay, so
Can we say like that? And always start from the producer level, not start from the consumer level. Okay,
okay,
Yes,
humans
sir.
sir.
are in the category of consumers level. Okay,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so first of all, right, a food web is a complex network of interconnected food chains.
Sir, please
You
can
see
you
that
repeat?
That's it there. Copy.
a food web.
Food web equals to complex network of
Shall I write here?
interconnected.
No, sir, it's okay, sir. We sir.
Please,
No.
Sir Sharma, they are seeing. Forget about it. They are seeing, please. It's not this. It's AI. Be copying
Yeah,
now.
what?
Sir, it's okay, sir. We can see it.
Okay, sir.
If it has to be
But
writing.
can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Okay, then right. A food web is a complex. A food web is a complex network of interconnected food chains. This is the definition of food web.
Sir,
We
we
have
already
copied.
copied. We copied it.
No, no, don't copy this thing. Okay, which is on the screen. Give the heading food web and then write a food web is a complex network of interconnected food chains.
Yes, sir.
Write this statement. Have you written this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we have on captions on.
Okay. Now I am showing you one food web.
Here, web. Think of complex. As well as interconnected. Complex. That's how.
Okay. So here in the explanation, you can see food web shows how energy is passed from the plants, which are the producers, to the animals, which are consumers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please,
Plant,
sir.
plants are always in the category of producers. They will produce, and animals are in the category of consumers. They will consume. Okay. For
Please, sir. Can
example,
you see?
what?
Okay, okay, sir. It's okay.
Yeah, grass is eaten by a rabbit. Okay.
Good
Then
Yes,
thing.
sir.
rabbit will be eaten by a fox. Then fox will be eaten by a higher
Should-
higher carnivore. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
For example, fox can be eaten by a polar bear. Okay. So
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
polar bear is the highest consumer category. Okay. Now
Yes,
Yes,
in
sir.
sir.
the same food chain, we will bring another food chain. We will keep the grass as it is. We will keep the rabbit as it is. Rabbit can also be eaten by a snake. Is it possible?
Um, Yes, sir. It's possible.
Snake can be eaten by a vulture or a eagle.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So here, two food chains are interdependent and are interconnected with each other. So this is called a food web. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Make a food web and show me. Take some different examples. Some think for some different examples by yourself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You need to answer me. This one person there. I want food.
So I'm done.
Okay. Tell me what you have written.
Sir, grass is eaten by cow.
Okay.
Cow is eaten by lion. No,
Okay.
cow is eaten by lion, yes.
Okay.
And lion is eaten by man.
Okay. Which man eat lion?
Yes, sir. I like human, sir.
Any human can eat lion. Is
Maybe.
the lion? No, don't write any hypothetical examples. Okay.
Okay,
Lion,
sir.
we can hunt lion for his commercial values, but not as a food. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So, yes, Austin boy, tell me about your food chain. What food chain you have created?
Okay, sir. Plants are eaten by goats.
Okay.
Goats are eaten by bears.
Goats are eaten by
You
Bear
cannot eat this.
whale. Okay.
and bears are eaten by humans.
Whales. How a whale will eat a goat?
So,
So
sec-
it's a bear. He's talking about a bear.
As a bear, bear. Okay, okay, bear. Then will bear eat a goat?
I don't know.
Have you ever seen any kind of hunting in the wild that bear will going to eat a goat?
No, sir.
Then bear will eat either fruits or fish. His the favorite food of bear is fish. You always found him near the water streams, like hunting and waiting for the fishes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I made a
You,
second example.
yeah, rewrite again.
Okay,
Both
sir.
of you rewrite again.
Okay, sir.
So I wrote mine.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, man eat frogs.
No, don't go from consumer to down level. Consumer is the highest level.
Okay,
Start from the basic level, from the producers,
sir. So
from the planter
grass
level.
is eaten. So grass is eaten by grasshopper.
Ha, good.
Grasshopper, frogs. No, Grasshopper are eaten by frogs.
Yeah, good.
Frogs are eaten by human.
Yeah, frogs can be eaten by humans. That's good. Now, in the same food chain, keeping the primary producer same, create one more.
Okay, sir. Um,
In the same food chain, in the same food chain, okay? Grass,
Yes.
grasshopper, frog, and human. In the same chain, create one more.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Austin boy, have you created your food web?
yes,
Yes, sir.
sir. So I've created mine.
1 minute. Let me hear from the Austin boy. Sorry, I don't
Okay.
know the name, so I'm saying like this. Don't feel offended, okay?
Yes, sir. So I said let's leave the grass, grasshopper, frog, human.
Grasshopper directly can be eaten by a human. Is it possible?
Yes.
Yeah, humans eat grasshoppers.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I started by grass. Grasshopper eat grass.
Okay.
Frog eat grasshopper. Human
In
eat
in
frog.
human eat frog.
Lion lion eat human.
Ha, this can be possible. That lion can eat human because animals are man eaters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Your
Sir,
tiger,
how?
leopard.
Yes, sir.
Because lion, tiger, leopard, they all can have human conflict. They can
Yes,
eat humans. Okay.
yes,
But
sir.
reverse cannot be possible.
Okay, okay, mom.
Please,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Have
Sir,
you ever,
how is
have,
it possible that animals are married?
animals are
Married.
married?
Yes, sir.
With whom?
So you say that animals are married.
No, no, I didn't said animals are married. I said animal human conflict can be there. In that conflict, animals
Okay,
can eat humans.
Yes, sir.
okay, sir.
In that case, that animal will be termed as man eater.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so tiger, lion, leopard, jaguar, all these are man eaters. They can eat humans. Okay, whenever they come in conflict with them. Okay,
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
good. So now
Please, sir,
you
can I
go.
tell my own?
Tell me yours one.
Okay. Grass are eaten by grasshoppers.
Hmm.
Frogs are Grasshoppers are eaten by frogs.
Mm-hmm.
Frogs are eaten by snakes.
Yeah, good.
And snakes are eaten by human.
Yeah,
I'm
that
sorry, yes, human.
yeah, that is possible. In some China countries like China, snakes are eaten by humans. They eat snakes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this what you have created is a food web in which two food chains are interconnected with each other.
Thank you, sir.
So this is what is called food web. Now you both understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh, One thing I would like that you should think about the food chain and food web. What is the purpose of this?
So to know what
The basic animal feed on.
yes, sir, to know what animals feed on.
Uh, Okay, for what animals eat, why they need food?
So to survive.
Survive.
Okay, for surviving. So we can say that they need energy for surviving, and that energy they get from the food.
Yes, sir.
So it means there is a flow of energy from one organism to the another organism. Means the organism who is eating the other organism is getting energy from that one. For example,
Yes.
the
So,
grass has attained some energy from the sun. That energy, when the grasshopper has eaten the grass, so some energy has gone into the grasshopper.
yes,
And when frog has eaten grasshopper, some energy has gone into the frog.
yes, sir.
Similarly, the energy keeps on transferring from one level to the another level. Is it clear? That there is a flow of energy from one organism to the another. This is the
Okay,
purpose
sir.
of the chain and food web. And how much energy is transferred in
Um,
percentage wise? If I ask you, can you guess
Mm, sudden.
um,
how much?
so I don't really know.
But percentage, if you want to guess in the numbers, in percentage numbers, how much can you guess? What percentage is transferred from one level to the other level?
50%.
So 70%.
No, 10%. Only 10% energy is transferred from one level to another level. Remaining 90% is lost.
So,
Okay?
sir, please, sir,
Yes.
please, sir, let me say we eat meat,
Hmm?
cow meat. So let me say, we eat cow meat.
Okay. Huh?
So when we eat it, it's only 10% that enters us. 10% of energy that enters us,
Yeah.
and the
This
rest is gone.
only 10% of energy flows from cow meat to the human.
Okay, sir.
Okay? And that
Yes, sir.
10% is flowing from grasses to the cow.
Please, sir, is it standard?
Hmm?
Is it standard?
It is
Is it standard?
standard. Yes, yes, it is standard. This is called 10% law of energy.
10% of
Okay?
energy.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
So the food web and food chain, the purpose of both is to understand the flow of energy from one organism to another. Now you both understand food web, food chain, and the purpose.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can create multiple of food chains and food web by yourself.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good, excellent. Now please write down this explanation. So are you enjoying studies with
Yeah.
me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. I'm also enjoying teaching both of you.
Please, sir. Thank you.
Have you copied children? You support the other book, you support the other side of the book with the other hand. No, no. I don't like the way you're copying. Where's your pen?
Roberto,
Just be fast.
Yeah, done.
so
So almost.
Okay.
So done.
So just we have studied about the flow of energy from one organism to another organism. So
Yes,
this
yes,
sir.
is
sir.
called also called as energy transfer. But you did not ask me, Kisa, that energy is transferred in what form? In in what kind that energy is transferred?
So
So
in Julie's, in where is
juice.
juice?
Joules is the unit of the energy. I am asking about the form. In what form the energy will be transferred? For example, you are eating food. Okay, you are
Yes,
eating cow meat. You are getting energy. Your body is getting energy. Na?
Yes, sir.
Which form of energy you are getting?
So I don't know.
it's a biometabolism.
Metabolism, that is something different. Partially, you are little bit correct, but not exact. Okay. Uh, mm, can you create or destroy any energy?
No, sir.
No. Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Can you create and can you destroy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Wow. New scientist I have found today. Energy can never be created and nor be destroyed. It can only change its form from one form to another form.
So let me. So I have an explanation for why I can say I can
Oh,
destroy
okay.
energy. So let me take for an example.
Mhm.
So when you eat, or let me say eat fruits to gain energy for the day, so you
Okay.
destroy it by sleeping.
No, even if a animal of or if any organism is sleeping, then also his body is like losing energy and creating energy as well. Okay, there are different forms and different kinds of energies that we will study later in the coming days or in the higher standards. Okay, I'll tell
Yes,
you.
sir.
Light energy is there, sound energy is there, heat energy is there, kinetic
Thermal,
energy is there,
So
potential energy is there.
there's thermal energy,
gravitational potential energy.
gravitational energy.
Yeah, all these are the forms and the kinds of energies. So, which can be transferred from one form to another. No one can create and can't destroy it. Okay,
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
good. So, the energy which is transferred whenever we eat food is heat energy. Okay, Heat
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
transferred from one organism to the another organism. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
so always keep one thing in mind that heat energy moves from the warmer places to the cooler places. That is the transfer of heat energy. You can sense between hot object and cold object. No?
You can
So
see.
that sense is because of the transfer of heat energy.
Okay, sir.
Okay, understood?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Okay, I'll tell you three more ways. One is conduction, one is induction, and one is radiation. These are the three ways by which heat energy can be transferred. Okay,
Okay, sir.
whenever you go outside in bright sunlight, you feel like warmer, you feel like hot. Yes or no?
It's feel
Hot,
warm.
sir. So I feel
Yeah,
hot.
Warm.
hot. So you tell me, is sun very close to us or very far?
It's very
Very
far.
far.
Very far. Being the fact that sun is very far from us, we feel the heat of the sun rays. So this is the form of transfer of heat energy by the radiations. Okay? Because of the
Yes, sir.
sun's radiations, we can feel the heat of sun energy. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we come to the conduction part. What is conduction? Conduction means you are holding a iron rod in your hand. Okay? One
Yes,
end
sir.
of the iron rod is in your hand, and the other end of the iron rod you are heating. Okay? It is over the flame. After some time, even the end of the iron rod which is in your hand also become hotter or warmer.
Okay, sir.
Is it or not?
Sir, it is.
Yeah. So this is because of the energy is transferring by the process of conduction.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Okay. And induction is very simple, boiling of water. Whenever you boil water or boil any liquid, the hot molecules goes up and the colder molecules come down. So as they attain the kinetic energy, this cycle keeps on moving. So this is the process of transferring of heat energy by the process of induction. Okay,
Okay, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. This part.
Okay, sir.
Done.
Thank you,
Sir.
sir.
Okay, please do it fast.
Okay, sir. Sir, done.
Done. Both of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Before moving to the next topic, I would like to ask you what are the components of the food web?
So
So what do you mean by the components of the food web?
Means what are the parts or what are the things which are involved in the food web?
So we have the consumer,
There's the
and the
and the
producer.
producer, the consumer and the
Good.
producer.
Excellent. Excellent. But you will write it in a chronology order. Okay. The
Yes,
chronology is like you have to start with the producers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
write the heading components of food web.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then in this you write number one producers. In front of producers in the bracket write autotrophs.
Please, sir. Please, sir, can you say what you said?
Producers in front of producers in the bracket write autotrophs. AUTRO. Sorry, AUTO autotrophs. TROPHS. So, how can we define producers or autotrophs?
Mm.
So
So these are
producers,
so producers are the main components which so producers are the main component is a main component which produces food for the first stage
Yes.
of
So, yes, you can say that. These are the organisms that produce their own food through the process of photosynthesis. Okay?
photosynthesis. Yes, sir.
Yeah, right statement. And
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
then write number two, the second component, consumers. In front of consumers in the bracket, write heterotroph.
So should I
What?
Hydrotropic.
please say you said letters are in front of consumers in the bracket let us try.
Heterotrophs.
Okay. So tropic or drops?
Heterotrophs. HETERO trophs.
C-R.
Heterotrophs.
Okay, sir.
Okay, how can you define consumers?
So consumers are the organisms which
Hmm?
eat which
Which benefit from
which
the
benefit
producers?
which benefit from the producers. Yes.
Yeah. So, in the other way, you can say that these are the organisms which obtain their energy and nutrients from the producer. Okay,
Yes, sir.
right. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Three, right? So there is a
Sir, three.
three categories of
Please, sir.
number one.
So number three.
What?
Please, sir, we can't hear you. Please, sir.
Yeah. So right, number one, primary consumer. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
In this you write these are herbivores that eat producers. Number two, secondary consumers. In this you write these are the consumers who eat primary producers or who eat primary consumers. So primary consumers examples are like goat, deer, your rabbit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cow, buffalo, all these are the primary consumers. Then next you write tertiary consumers. Third category. Third,
So you said
third part of third subdivision of consumer.
please, sir.
Then last component of the food is food web is decomposers.
So decomposers eat the left out bodies of animals.
Yes, yes. They are called decomposers. Example, your fungi, bacteria. Okay,
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
they they are
It was
comes under the category of decomposers. Okay, so this is enough for today. Now we will meet on Sunday. Okay, 10 o'clock. to further take the biology classes ahead. Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
And from Monday onwards, also, I'm taking your environmental studies. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
No, I want to
Bye.
eat. Mommy. Mm.